there are 3,000 different types of tea. But according to their fermentation, the tea has been divided into 6 big types. They are the black tea, the green tea, yellow tea, white tea, flower tea, and oolong tea. Now, different kinds of tea will give us different herbal function. So later during making tea, I will give you some information. Now today the first tea I'm going to make for you is one type of oolong tea. Have you ever drunk the oolong tea before? Yeah. Oolong tea. You know, oolong tea is a big type of tea in China. This type of tea has got semi-fermentation. So oolong tea is a kind of the warm tea. So drinking more oolong tea can warm the body, good for the gastric. And in China, we have 300 different types of oolong tea. But look at this one. You see this one looks like they're smaller seeds, like the spoons. This one is oolong tea with the ginseng powder to handle it together. So we call this one ginseng oolong tea. Do you know anything about ginseng? Ginseng, I will pass down this tea. You can see and smell this one. This one is oolong tea with ginseng powder to roll it. You know, ginseng is the herbs. Ginseng is medicine. Ginseng is the herbs. Can give us more energy, can promote immunity. So drinking more ginseng oolong tea can help us to strong the body. Also can enhance the memory. Yeah, very good for the body. Today I'm going to use clay teapot to make the ginseng oolong tea. You know, the clay teapot is made by hand. Outside is smooth, but inside is a little bit rough. So clay teapot can absorb the flavor. So if you want to use the clay teapot to make tea, one teapot is always for making one type of tea. If the pot is used over 5 years, when you put the boiling water inside, you will get a fragrance from the pot. So remember, the clay teapot is older, is better. Yeah.
I would love to see the footage of all our friends today. I will give it a movie.
You know, for this one, and before making tea, we better use the boiling water to rinse pot from the outside to the inside. Warm up the pot. And in order to make the tea quickly, I'm going to use a little more tea to make it. But when you drink tea at home, no need too much. You know, normally this is a teaspoon. One person only take about a half teaspoon or 1/3 of the teaspoon. And it can be used 3 to 5 times. So today I will use more. Because we have more friends, I want to make them quickly. About 3 spoons. So if I speak English like this way, could you follow me clearly? Yeah. Thank you.
你说中文？
说中文。说中文他们不懂。This tea is a handmade, so we don't drink the first time. The first time is for cleaning the tea, for rinse the tea leaves. And for the tea water, don't waste. With the tea like this, with the pot of water bag, you can use it to preserve the pot, to nourish the pot like this. And then from the second time is for drinking. Today I use more tea to make it, so we get the tea very quick. And normally the tea should be soaked in the pot for 2 minutes. If you wait longer, you know your tea will become more stronger, even bitter. So don't waste so long time. 2 or 3 minutes is enough. How many people in your group?
很多人。
16, right?
16?
Okay, so here we are going to use this pair of the teacup to enjoy the tea. And remember, this longer one is a smelling cup. Enjoy the tea's flavor. And this one is the tasting cup for drinking tea. So first, I'm going to serve the tea into the longer one, and then you can take your tasting cup to carve on it, like this. So later I will show you how to use them together. I can help you. It's hot.
You're welcome.
Instagram story today.
Pardon?
My Instagram story, I go home. It's so long.
Yeah, I've been
Yeah. It's your turn.
It's gonna wait till the last time.
Yeah. Do you reckon we're still gonna make that schedule for dinner?
Let me see the.
So everybody have tea. And next you can follow me. We do like this. With the hold the top on the bottom. Hold them tight and turn over. Turn over quickly and put it down. After turn it over and take the longer one out. We take longer cups out. And you can roll on the smell like this. So when you roll and smell it, you get a very good smell from the oolong tea. Smells very sweet, smells nice. So this is the aroma from the ginseng. Very good smell from the oolong tea. Take it out and smell from the longer one.
Did you drink your tea? Pardon? When I turned it over, I flipped it over, and then when I put
And
it
before
down.
drink tea, I will teach you how to hold the teacup. We have very traditional way of holding cups. Now first, the two fingers will hold eyes of the cup like this way. So hold eyes and middle fingers at the bottom. The middle fingers underneath. Ladies like this way, two fingers up. Means we are elegant, charming like the phoenix. This is the ladies' way. And gentlemen, all men have to close your two fingers. The man closed means you are powerful like the dragon. Yeah. You know the first cup to be finished in 3 times. 3 sips to finish all. That means we can get a happiness, wealth, and longevity. So you have to finish them in 3 sips. You get everything. Okay, so enjoy the ginseng oolong tea, please. Yeah, you can drink now.
Cheers.